Yeah. Uh, Now we will discuss about the light emitting diodes, the modern trend in the illumination scheme. The light emitting diode lamps. They are oftenly called as shortly as LED lamps. And now we will see what's the principle of operation of LED lamps. They are considered to be very highly energy efficient lamps. They are becoming very popular due to their numerous advantages when compared to the traditional incandescent and fluorescent bulbs. So, what actually is the principle of operation of an LED? See, an LED bulb it produces light by passing the electric current through a semi-conducting material. Normally, we do have 5 to 6 types of uh, basic semiconducting materials, right? And combination of these are also semiconducting materials. So, an LED bulb that produces light by passing electric current through a semiconducting material, normally a diode, which then emits photons through the principle of electroluminescence. That is just like a photodiode. So you take a diode, a P-type material and an N-type material. I'm not into your electronics, so I'm just giving you a glimpse. This is generally considered as a diode. So when a voltage is applied to your PN junction, normally this is called as a P-type material, which do consist of holes. This consists of electrons as majority carriers. So the side lacking in electrons wants to be filled in with large amount of electrons to be driven from these sides. So when power or external voltage is applied, the electrons they get eager to move and they will try to cross this barrier, and in this process they will emit lights. So during this process light is created, and the fact that LED lights do not rely upon the heat to produce its light means that they remain very cooler, just like your fluorescent lamps, and they do have very higher efficiency when compared to your incandescent lamps. The process is very simple. It is just like your light emitting diodes, and they are very simple. They emit very cool bright lights, just like your fluorescent lamps. But what are the advantages now? They are highly energy efficient. They consume less energy when even compared to fluorescent lamps also. And it means that they can produce the same amount of light while using a fraction of energy, which helps us in more amount of energy savings. And the next one is they have an exceptionally long lifespan. Incandescent lamps, they do have 1000 to 2000. Fluorescents, they can have up to 20,000. Whereas LED bulbs, they are considered to have something around 25,000 to 50,000 hours of lifetime, and even more, depending upon the usage. This very long lifespan, it reduces the frequency of bulb replacements. So it saves us money, it reduces the wastes. So that's why they are considered to be very efficient. And they are immediate illumination devices. See, LED bulbs that reach their full brightness almost instantly. This is the problem with the fluorescent lamps. Even though they are energy efficient, they do have this problem of warm up time. But whereas LED bulbs, they give full brightness almost instantly when switched on without any warm up time. And that's why they are considered to provide immediate illumination. So wherever you require instant lighting, you can go with this LED lamps. And many LED lamps are dimmable. See, the amount of voltage you adjust, then automatically the light can be adjusted. So this allows you to adjust the brightness to suit your mood, to suit your preferences, to suit your requirements, to suit your atmosphere. So, and ensure that the LED bulb is dimmable, because the manufacturer should mention, otherwise don't purchase it. Okay. And the LED bulbs are available in various color temperatures. You can have different combinations. You can have different options to buy out LED bulbs. They can provide you warm white, cool white, daylight options. You can find them when you search on the internet. the light which is emitted by these LED bulbs, it varies. The manufacturer clearly mentions what is the type of light which you will be getting on the cover of your bulb. They'll be mentioning the type of light which you'll be getting. So if you do require a desired ambience, then you should choose among these available options. And it also allows you versatile and compact bulb designs. LED bulbs, they come in different shapes and sizes. You do have A-shaped bulbs, floodlights, spotlight bulbs, decorative bulbs, different types of options out there. And next is the durability. As already I said, they are highly durable and they are resistant to shocks, vibrations and temperature fluctuations. You see, incandescent lamps, they do have very fragile elements. They are made up of glass. They'll break very easily. But whereas LED lamps, they are durable. They are more robust and suitable for any demanding environments. And more importantly, they don't have any mercury. See, fluorescent lamps, one of the disadvantages of fluorescent lamps is they do have mercury. Whereas LED bulbs, they do not contain any mercury, which makes them safer for the environment. So you can easily dispose them. And one more thing is, they emit light in a specific direction, which gives you focused illumination, which is an important aspect of your LED bulb. So you go for task lighting, where you want to focus only on one area, then LED bulb is the best. Besides, you do have lighting control also. You can dim the light also. Okay. And this is one of the important problems. They do have a higher upfront cost because they are the latest trend. But in the near future, they might become cost effective also. Okay. So these are the advantages and the features of LED bulbs. So now let's have a quick look about the comparison of all these bulbs. But let me make that one in the next part. Okay. So I hope that now you have understood the LED lamps. They are energy efficient, they are easily dimmable, they do not contain any mercury. Only problem is that the price. But in the future, we may get at a reduced price also. So that's why, because of all these advantages which they do offer when compared to incandescent and fluorescent lamps, modern day lighting systems are all now LED lighting systems. Okay. So with this, I'll be ending this